I'm going to show you exactly how you can make high quality video ads to promote your business products and services and reach target clients, and we're going to do it for free. Video is an amazing way to reach your target clients. I want to show you how you can create videos quickly and easily. On canva.com, we're going to search for business video ad templates. This is going to give us a wide variety of pre-made templates that we can have a nice starting point and customize. So take a look around and see what is remotely similar to the type of style, look, and in some cases industry. Now, you don't necessarily have to select something that is exactly the same as your industry because you can customize it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this template for a video ad for a real estate agent. I'm going to go ahead and customize this as if I was a real estate agent trying to get local clients. First, we need to make sure that the overall branding is going to match our business's brand colors. So we want to go ahead and customize those. We're going to just simply click on anywhere where the colors appear, click on this little color area right here, and then we can either select from the colors that are shown, or we can enter in our own hex code here, or slide the color wheel and select from there. Canva breaks videos down into a series of clips that are later merged together. So we're going to need to edit each one of these clips in order to have that consistent look across the board. The colors that we use frequently in our document are going to reappear over here. And if you have a pro account of Canva, then you can plug in your brand colors to just always be here. Canva also allows you to select colors that are present in the photos that you are using. So this is a really handy tool if you have an inspiration photo for your brand, but you don't know the exact color codes for it. You can simply upload a photo in here, such as this one, and then it will populate those colors for you. Now that I have my colors customized, I'm going to go in and customize the text. Now, in order to customize the text, simply click on the area of text that you would like to customize. You can add or remove whatever you like. And in order to change the font, simply click up here. Once we have updated all of our text, then we're going to update our images. In order to upload your own photos for use here in the template, we're going to go over to the uploads area here, click upload files, and then you will be able to import whatever you want to import. Now, obviously, I will not sample if I wanted to import this weird doodle that for some reason is sitting here in my downloads folder. I simply would click here. We now see that that photo is loaded, and in order to input it into our real estate ad, we would drag it and drop it. Now you'll notice that the photo is not properly cropped. So in order to crop it, we're going to click that crop icon up there and drag it down into the frame so that we can actually see it. Now when we go back and we play the video from the start, we see that my strange doodle has been uploaded into the photos. Now let's say we want to change the animations that are already plugged in here. For example, right here in the beginning, we see that the text automatically pops up and disappears. So if we want to change any of these animations, we simply are going to click on the specific element, and then we are going to click over here on the animation section right here. And we see that they already have selected rise. Maybe we want to have it fade instead. We would go ahead and click on that alternate. Now, once our video is done, we're going to go up here to the right-hand area. We're going to click download. Now, we're going to download this as an MP4 video, and we are going to make sure that all of our pages are selected. This will ensure that our video has that start to finish play with those different pages shown in the video. This video size is optimized for certain platforms, but not for others. Now, in order to resize this to be an optimal size for something that is vertically oriented, such as an Instagram reel or a TikTok video, we're going to click on this magic switch up here. We're going to find the size that we want to convert this to, and if you don't see it here, you can click see all, or you can search for specifically what you're looking for or enter in a custom size. I'm going to select Instagram story. Click continue, and this is automatically going to resize your video and all of the elements along with the animations over into this vertical format. Next, let's take a look at how to create a product ad where you have a specific product that you need to show. So the template that I've selected is this one. It is already made with these animations and with this product being featured. What I want to do is I want to swap out this photo for my specific products photo that I already have. You are going to be clicking on upload and uploading your own photo, but because I am not selling products, I'm going to go ahead and use a stock photo. Now once we've dragged and dropped our photo, we want to change the position of the photo and just move it a step or 2 or 3 or 4 backwards so that all those elements show up once again. Now that we can see all the elements again, we need to rearrange these so that they are showing the product the best that it possibly can. In order to move these elements, you're simply going to drag and drop them. You'll notice that grid lines pop up to show you the exact center of the page or how to get it in line with other key elements that are already there. So those guidelines will pop up automatically and it helps you to create a clean looking page. Now let's do another example with this because perhaps we don't have a photo that was nicely styled with a clean backdrop. Maybe we need to remove our backdrop and have something that looks more similar to this where it's just the product. What we're going to do now is we're going to replace this backdrop. Let's select from here something that aligns with our brand. I'm going to go ahead and just use this plain wall backdrop here, but there's lots of different things that you can choose from. Now, let's say that you have a product photo that you or your photographer took, but maybe the background is not ideal. Now, this one obviously has no background, but I'm going to use it as an example just to show you. So imagine a messier background in this photo. But the concept is still the same. We're going to click on the photo and click Edit Image. Next, we're going to click Background Remover, and this is going to automatically detect what is in the foreground and what is in the background. This is going to automatically delete that background for you. Now, if you need to go back in and maybe it missed a piece of your background, or maybe you need to restore a piece that it erased, like right here, then you can go ahead and do that here. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click Apply. You can then resize it so that it's the size that you need it to be, drag and drop it so that it is centered. Now we have our product, but we can go ahead and add in some shadows to make it look a little more natural. We are going to go ahead and select the drop shadow so that we have a shadow that is kind of mirroring a natural shadow that these products might make. So go ahead and put that down. So go ahead and put that down there. And no, it's not 100% natural, but it is good enough. Now, once you have your ad complete, you can go ahead and you can click share. You can download this as an MP4 video. Okay, let's go ahead and do an ad that includes some stock video. Perhaps you have not shot professional video or your own high quality videos to promote your business. You want to use anything that is going to be false advertising of a product that you don't have, a facility you don't own, but there are some basic stock video elements that might come in handy, and businesses use stock videos to advertise their products and services all the time. You just want to make sure that you are not misleading them about the product, the results, the location, or the services that they are booking. Say you are a personal trainer and you're trying to market to get personal training clients. We're going to go ahead and use this template right here that looks like this. Now, Canva has a variety of different stock videos. So if you search for training at the gym or athletic training, you'll be able to locate some of these different options that they have. Now, if you want more variety than what is on Canva, but you still want to keep it free, then head over to pexels.com. This is a free website where you can get royalty-free videos and photos to use for free. So we're going to go ahead and go to videos, and we're going to search for athletic training. Here you can see there's a wide variety of really high quality stock videos. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this one as an example. You can see here any licensing requirements that are present. You can donate to the creator if you would like to. Next, we're going to go over to the upload area, click upload files, and move your playhead back to the beginning, And let's go ahead and delete that original video, drag and drop this one in here, and we can see that it has now been replaced. So let's go ahead and add in some additional elements. Now what I notice here is that our little graphic design is no longer showing. So we need to go over to position and scooch this video one click backwards so that those graphics are not hidden. But what it's missing is some information about your business, what you offer, maybe a call to action. So what we're going to do is we're going to move our playhead to where we want our next text element to appear. And right here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to split the page, because going forward from here, I want a different text description to show. So I'm going to change the text right here. Personal training. I want to add in another split screen here. Then maybe I'll add my website right here. So now that we have this split into sections, let's go ahead and change the video so that we keep our viewers' interest. Now this is purely for example, so I'm not going to be very careful about what I am choosing. If this was your own business, then please make sure that you are choosing things that are accurate for your business. Okay, so what we have here is we now have this, transitions to this one, and that transitions to the third slide. Now that our video is done in this share area here, we're going to click download, make sure it's set to MP4, and make sure all pages are selected.